Assam government offices to reopen from April 21. Tea growers in West Karbi Anglong district face huge losses due to lockdown. Karbi Anglong Rubber Growers Association carries out relief work in Diphu. Gov employees distribute essential commodities at Thailangso village in Hamren. NGO conducts awareness program on COVID-19 inside Dhansari constituency. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi with the latest news of the day. And now let's have a look on news in detail. With the latest news coming in, as per the state government's earlier announcement, state government offices will reopen with 33% of workforce of grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4 employees. Work will be resumed partially and employees have been directed to maintain strict social distancing and wear face masks while at work. Here is a report.
The state government on Saturday took a decision for partial resumption of work for the functioning of different departments, directing divisional commissioners, deputy commissioners and sub-divisional officers to ensure the attendance of 33% of grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4 employees for the smooth functioning of the offices. Moreover, the government has also issued guidelines to ensure the employees to follow the central government's direction of wearing face masks and maintenance of social distancing while at work. On the other hand, the government also notified that the officers and employees who will be at home should not treat the lockdown as leave and they should be available on telephone, mobile phones and electronic means at all times. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
In another news, tea growers in West Karbi Anglong district are facing huge losses due to ongoing nationwide lockdown. The small tea growers are the worst hit by the lockdown. Here is a report from our Borgaon correspondent.
The coronavirus pandemic followed by the subsequent lockdown has not only affected the agriculture in the country but is also creating panic among daily wagers working in the tea gardens. Tea gardeners are extremely worried as the leaf picking is delayed while leaves are quickly maturing. According to the growers, they are suffering an estimated loss of rupees 2 to 4 lakh every week due to the lockdown. This is also putting the livelihood of about 400 laborers working in the tea gardens at risk. Though the central government has allowed resumption of work in the tea gardens with 50% less workforce, the ground situation is getting grimmer day by day. Meanwhile, the growers have appealed to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Tuliram Longhang and District Administration of West Karbi Anglong for immediate intervention on the matter, including relief for the affected families. Bedya Singh Rongpi's report from Borgaon, Karbi Anglong Live.
In yet another news coming from West Karbi Anglong, two government school teachers Longsing Timung and Dilip Tiso today distributed rations to more than 25 lockdown-affected families. More from our correspondent.
Daily wage laborers are the worst hit section of the society by the nationwide lockdown, which was declared by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 24 and which was later extended till March 3, 2020. Due to the ban on all work and movement of citizens, lakhs of people faces hunger and further poverty. Meanwhile, Umchera Kalvari LP School Assistant Teacher Longsing Timung and Umpo Habe LP School Assistant Teacher Dilip Tiso today provided 5 kgs of rice, dal and soap to more than 25 families of Thailangso area.
Kidu kela arara phan kero kela bia along yongsi ko mane ya kong thim jo to ratum dolang pute sonthot nang chitu ang cerap dunia fansi nili aku puthot tuning lipon
lasi arong thedung pot si mane pi ong mu chot le tumang ke che bak lu na wo ching wai pen yo ni tum ba ni patuk parang lo.
During the day, the Thailangso village headman also appealed upon other employees for their humble contribution at this hour of crisis. Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.
As As lockdown continues, more and more citizens and organizations have also continued to extend their helping hands towards the affected families in the district. And today, another group of generous citizens turned up with the relief work, bringing cheers to more than 100 families. Sherry's report.
Led by President Saising Rongpi, Secretary James Pangcho, and Vice President Moniram Rohang, the Karbi Anglong Rubber Growers Association had today distributed food items including rice, vegetables, and sanitizers to 105 families living in the periphery of Difu town. The villages which were covered today are Matipung, Rong Klarbong, 5th Mile Rongbong Timung Village, and 6th Mile Sartheterang Village.
Non Karbianglong na kan lela asam no ko peka tu la si la so kan klik kecipa jok pan kan klik ka jok itum isung polo arule pu sabe iti de imati lu sang nang ko la an bangge itum kerap nang tapi unda bangi bo mem da bangi wang bo melang ni tum ben la kon maki itum kelong ek la sangat dio ta me dio ta me ba jang tu dio ta me da dia dia ta sabun plan ta me na ton pikang ko.
The relief materials were provided to families who only depended on daily wage earning for their livelihood and survival.
Ini ke orang ni ke ini mula terampi. Kalau tu masih tame ala Facebook long ba WhatsApp long tame teklong po.
Miss Assam Nirmala Teronpi and social activist Monjir Rongpipi also accompanied the group in providing the food items here on Sunday. Vikram Cross report, Karbi Anglong Live.
With the objective of raising awareness among villagers, local NGO Rural Aid Society today conducted an awareness program inside Dhansari constituency. The program was organized under the direction of the NGO advisor Niso Terangpi. Here is a report.
During the program, the NGO led by President Digen Ingti and Hampu Ingti distributed soaps towards families belonging to 39 villages under the constituency. In addition to this, the NGO also distributed leaflets to the villagers on the coronavirus preventive measures. According to the NGO, a total of 5,000 soaps for 2,000 villages had been donated by NGO advisor Niso Terangpi, and the leaflets, which has been printed in English, Karbi and Assamese, would be distributed to all the villagers. The NGO further stated that they would also carry out relief work as soon as the distribution of soaps and leaflets is over.
Labang solo matro itu micipayok terjadi bake sarkar pe itu mana pacini lo Prime Minister Modi pen itu mana pacini lo lapen Himanto Biswa Sarma Okran Kilang Minister pen itu mana pacini lo lapen Karbi Anglong CM akia itu mana pacini lo lasi labang so kecingrai nai bake kenang sod bake sabun pen iri cipang thir lapen max anang po lapen armuke ongo long cingrum nang ne.
The NGO informed that distribution of soaps along with leaflets which contains preventive measures against the coronavirus would be completed by April 23rd. Roshan Hanse's report, Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all with the latest news for now. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.